Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Robothought Zero to Hero series. And we are on lesson number 79, Python coding on Jetson Nano. And I'm going to show you how you're going to add an item in a dictionary. How you're going to add, right? You had learned a lot about dictionary. Now I'm going to show you how to add an item. So adding an item to the dictionary is done by using a new index key. Okay, and assigning a value to that particular index key. So let me show it with some bit of code. All right, let's begin coding on Python, guys. I am on my Jetson Nano terminal and let me open the existing file. So nano dict.py. Okay, this is our previous code and let me delete this. All right, boom. So this dictionary dict equals curly bracket, let's say brand, and then oops, not dot, it's comma, separated comma, double quote. The value should be with the double quote. Okay, comma, brand is equal, brand is Ford. Oh no, brand is Ford. I tend to do a lot of silly mistakes, guys. It's pretty common for in any programming. Ford, and then model. Okay, model is say Mustang, and then separate with a comma and then double quote. Then let's say year is what, 1964. Okay, now close it with a curly bracket. Now let's see how we are going to add an item. All right, now this dict, let's open a square bracket. Okay, square bracket. Let's add say, what do we have to add? Say color. Okay, color of the car, color, and double quote, close the bracket, square bracket. All right, color equals what? Red, blue, green, whatever. Say yeah, green. All right, now let's say print the round bracket, this dict. All right, I hope this works. So we are going to replace this. I'll show you how to add it. Control O, enter, Control X, Python 3, py. Boom, there you go, guys. So you got the color, right? So guys, it's very simple, very simple, guys. I mean, as I said, if you know good English and if you can somehow manage to remember all the syntaxes like square bracket, curly bracket, colon, that, this, and the keywords and the methods, that's all. You are going to be so good in Python, and especially on Jetson Nano, remotely logged in through the terminal. It's going to be just fantastic. So guys, I mean, yeah, that's it for today's lesson, and I'm going to get back to you soon. Do leave a comment below and do please give me a like, thumbs up, and keep watching. I'll be back soon.